In this video, you will learn how automation is performed in ClearTH. When performing tests, you need to verify that the system under test behaves correctly, reacts to the incoming data as expected, and produces various data according to its specification. In order to automate verification, you need to write an automation script. In ClearTH, it's called a matrix. A matrix is a CSV file with special features. It may contain multiple headers, a varying number of columns per row, expressions, and so on. A matrix consists of actions, each implementing a part of automation, such as shell script execution, data loading, verification, and so on. The actions are grouped into global steps that usually correspond to the logical parts of a business day in the system under test. This allows you to execute actions at correct times. Each action has a header, a row whose columns are marked with the number sign. If adjacent actions have the same set of parameters, they can use the same header defined above the first one of them. The action parameters support the expressions that are encased in curly braces, starting with the @ sign. For example, here we have a reference to the current date parameter of the previously defined constants action. Also, there's a number of functions available in the matrix. Here we have a function that takes the current timestamp and formats it in a predefined way. For the list of available functions, use the expression calculator available from the Tools screen of the ClearTH GUI. Additionally, some actions can have output parameters that are not defined in the matrix, but become available in runtime. Here, the execute script action, called trades, doesn't have an output parameter defined in the matrix, but the action itself will produce this parameter after the action execution. Thus, the reference to the output parameter will be valid. Now you're familiar with the structure of matrices, the automation scripts in ClearTH. In the next video, we will write a matrix to automate a sample scenario.